Now we'll look at changing the amount of panels. So in the previous example, we had these 3. I'll show you how you can make 4 in this example using the same effect. So it will end up looking something like this. So you can go onto your slide with the 3 on there, make sure they're all selected, and then while selected, click and drag on this vertical middle circle to something like this. Then click on this one and hold down Shift and drag to the right. Click on this one, hold down Shift and drag to the right. When you get to the correct place with the right gap, these smart guides will appear at the bottom, showing that the same distance is between both of them. Now we can press Ctrl D to duplicate this one, and then drag here, and then again, move until you can see the smart guides appear, so you know it's in the correct place. I can now change this text, type in what I want, then I can select them all, hold down Shift and drag them to the middle. We won't group them and align them that way, because if we group them, the animation will disappear. So at the moment, the 4th one actually comes in after the others are visible because of the order in the animation pane. So we need to go to Animations, Animation pane, and then check this order. We also want to rename this box so it's called Box 4 so we know what we're working with. So to do that, we can go to Home, Arrange, Selection pane, click on this and then call it Box 4. Then go back to the Animation pane. So I need to do 2 things here. Firstly, I need to hold down Shift and select both Box 1 and Box 2 when they go fully opaque and drag that to the end because that's the last thing we want. I also need to fade out Box 3 as a separate item in the animation stack. To do that, I can go to Animations, Add Animation, Transparency, Effect Options 75% and with Previous, and then I want to drag that up to where Box 4 is clicked on. So if we play from there, you'll see it's nearly all working, but there's one more that has to be made visible at the end, and that is number 3 when we click there. So we can just click on that, go to Add Animation, Transparency, with Previous, double click, set the amount to 0, making sure that we type 0 and press Return, and then click OK. And now we can click all 4 and they will reveal while the previous one fades off slightly. On the final click, all of them will be visible, fully opaque.